Hi, welcome back to Financial Journey. My name's Cal. So today I want to talk about Eline Entertainment, ticker is EEGI. So I want to talk about the price action that has been happening lately, what's causing the kind of the run up recently, do a little chart analysis as well, see what the indicators are saying as far as whether it's a good buy right now or not. I'll give you also price targets where I see the price going to as well. But before I do get into any of that though, what I'm going to do is smash a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm significantly. Also, if you are new to the channel, I do daily videos on trending stocks, crypto, I do it all. So definitely subscribe. Also, link in my description to a free Discord brings individuals together with the common theme of making money, because at the end of the day, that's why we invest in all these stocks, any crypto, to make money. So definitely it's a good place to be. But with all that said, let's get into some EEGI. Okay, so just want to start off by going over what EEGI is currently sitting at, which is, as you can see, 0.0074, down about 11% today. But despite the run-up, it obviously is that's anticipated and very healthy. Obviously, a little bit of consolidation. As far as the day range, 0.0071 to almost about just shy of a cent. So definitely very range bound. One thing I do like about within OTC is liquidity, and as you can see, there's almost 1 billion shares traded today, so definitely very liquid. Average volume is about 179 million, so that being said, that's still not too bad in the grand scheme of things. As you can see, based on market cap, it is a very minuscule stock, but that being said, it definitely has a lot of potential. Kind of moving on, I know typically every OTC stock I do cover, there's always one or two comments about where to buy it. So if you ever search the ticker and then SEC at the very bottom or close to it near on the website, it gives you a list of where you can trade, obviously EEGI. So Charles Schwab, TD, and obviously, as you can see, some other ones. So there might be some as well listed that or that you can just not listed here. So if yours does allow it and it's not listed here, leave it in the comments below. But that being said, so moving to Twitter. So as you can see, so Steve just tweeted one of the biggest things as well that's coming out. So it came out yesterday, but companies being current or pink on OTC, that's definitely one of the big kind of things to reach for as far as within the OTC. But as you can see, EEGI is another company in our portfolio which will become fully current in the next 30 days, and then a new site has been launched. So as you can see right here, so I have the About Us, but right new here. It is a very attractive looking site. It's very appealing in my kind of first thought of it. But as you can see, so Extreme Channel. So it is definitely trying to be a next, like a Netflix equivalent. But as you can see, as far as retail, the satellite, cable, digital, they have a lot of components going on. But About Us, so Extreme Channels Inc. is a OTT streaming provider and distributor of video content. So it's basically, like I said, kind of a Netflix with a little bit of a twist. So it definitely has a lot of capability on that to kind of like grow. Obviously, the profit margins within that sector is massive. So I'm just going to quickly bounce over to a little bit of chart analysis. So as you can see, so this is the 1 year chart. As far as indicators, I have the RSI, slow and fast stochastic, and momentum. In this case, I'm going to kind of cut this down to more so maybe about 3 months, because that's kind of a little bit more relevant. And for those that have watched my channel before, unfortunately my platform doesn't show anything less than a cent. So that being said, I'm doing this more so for the indicators, which wouldn't really make a difference. But that being said, so that's why you don't see that. But just going to throw in some moving averages as well. So I have the 38 and a 200-day moving average. So both are significantly over that. That's definitely one thing to keep in mind. As far as looking at the fast and slow stochastic, a lot of these indicators would show false readings, obviously, because as you can kind of see, the volume has gone massively parabolic. It's huge. So that in conjunction with the price increase would show the fast and both stochastics as not really good buying opportunities, same as RSI. But what I do like to see is the momentum. As you can see, the momentum is on a massive tear. So Typically, back in February, that's when a lot of capital went into the OTC market, causing a lot to kind of surge. You don't see that in this case. So in my opinion, this is fairly justified. Again, it could be a simple pump and dump, but as you can see on May 14th, it did kind of have a little increase there, did sell off. Again, that is usually justified, and a little bit of consolidation is good because like typically a lot of people buy a little bit significantly lower, are a couple 100% up, and so they take profits. That happens with every stock in crypto. It's very natural, but it is on a upward trend as well. So typically, pink current is very advantageous for over-the-counter stocks. So that, in conjunction with the new website and the potential for just the main sector and where it's going, I do see this as a very one to watch. As far as pricing, I'm just going to kind of go back to this. So this is a little bit kind of so that way you can follow along. As far as price goes, right now, there wouldn't be much, maybe around the 0.003 as far as support levels. In reality, I don't see it going there. If maybe this there is false news, or this is just a pump and dump, definitely it would hit that or break that most likely. But since on May 17th, it didn't actually break that after the kind of the sell-off and the kind of breaking. So I don't see it breaking 0.003. I think that is the base, in my opinion, at least in the short term. As far as price, looking at the momentum, logically it is making higher highs, and it's kind of having higher lows as well, which is usually a very good indicator that it's on an uptrend. And as you already mentioned, it almost hit 1 cent today. That is huge. That alone is a 25% increase, or about higher than that, than what it currently is. So it is very volatile. Obviously, a lot of over-the-counter stocks are, but potentially this can easily go to about 5 cents in my opinion, in the short term. So the consensus is significantly higher, but I'm sure a lot of those individuals are very biased. They've probably been holding since 0005 or something like that. They've already quadrupled or more than that their profits. In reality, I do see 5 cents as a good target to have within the short to medium term, and depending on their business and day-to-day operations side, it could definitely go a lot higher than that. But where I see it around 5 cents. Again, a base as being 0.003, pretty strong at that stage. Again, I don't see it dipping that. More realistically, it probably would dip to this level, 0.006. So if you are looking to make a position, I would do that. But with all that said, I am not a financial advisor, so make sure you're, at the end of the day, no matter what, you do your own due diligence and all that jazz. So make your own decisions as far as investment. This is just my own kind of thoughts I'm kind of speaking out loud with. So definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this company, though. Okay, so let me know what you think of the company in the comments. If you haven't already, definitely smash the thumbs up and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate doing both. Again, link in my description to the Discord, so definitely join that as well. It's a good place to be. But with all that said, let's all make some money.